Assalamu alaikum, my dear nursery class. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. I am here to give you English lecture. This video lecture is related to English book. In class on previous pages we have learned about letter Y. And today I will tell you about letter K. So come and let's meet the letter K. Okay. This is on your book page number 4646 and 4747. So now take out your English book, and this book is World of Letters. Okay. Open this book and come on book page number 4646. Here you can see a letter, and that letter is K. Capital letter is K. Capital letter is K, and its sound is K. K. Its sound is K. Okay. You just stand up and do action. Do action of letter K. K. Okay. Stand up and move your right leg like a kick. Okay. Like a kick. Its action is like a kick. Kick. You have to color the kite and also king. Here is a word for you. King. Key. And the next thing you like it very much. Kite. Okay. Kite. And the next thing is cattle. 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 Okay. Now come on book page number 4747. Here you have to write letter K. You have to do practice. First of all, you make a straight line just like a one. Start it from first line and finish it on third line. Letter K will become on first three line. Then you have to make two arms. Okay. You have to start first arm. It should start from the first line and then match it on second line. Then again next arm start from the second line and finish it on third line. So it is K. This letter is K. Write it and complete this page. So here is I have a activity for you. Okay. You have to color the boxes. Which pictures that begins with letter K? Okay. We think we'll start with letter K. Kite. You have learned it already. Cattle and key. So you have to color these three boxes. Okay, color it and learn it as well. Do practice of letter K. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.